Story title: The Magic Paintbrush and the Greedy Giant. Toby, look at this. It's glowing. I wonder what it does. Toby, maybe it's magic. Try painting something. Thank you, Mia and Toby. Our village hasn't been this lively in years. We'll never forget your kindness. You brought laughter back to our children. You brought hope back to us.
With this paintbrush, I'll make a golden castle and an endless feast.
Gumpy, happiness doesn't come from gold. Look at what your greed has done. Mia, you can't steal happiness, Gumpy. It comes from sharing. Toby, look around. Your greed has hurt everyone, even yourself. Gumpy, I didn't mean to. Can I help fix it?
Sharing feels so much better than hoarding. Thank you for teaching me this, Mia and Toby, villagers. Hooray for Mia, Toby, and Gumpy.
Did you enjoy our story, kids? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite part in the comments. And follow for more moral and funny videos.